In this video, we're tackling an issue that many of you might face. It's how to fix the BiliBili app when it's not working. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, check your internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable and active internet connection. Confirm connectivity by trying to open other apps or website. Next is to restart the BiliBili app. Close the BiliBili app completely and then reopen it. This simple action can sometimes resolve minor glitches. Now, this next step is for Android users. And so, for Android users, consider clearing the app cache. Simply go to your device setting, find the apps or application manager, then locate BiliBili and then clear the cache. Lastly, if the problem persists, uninstall the BiliBili app and then reinstall it. This method can help resolve more complex issues related to the app's installation. Also, you may want to visit BiliBili's official website or social media channels to check for announcements about server issues or maintenance. And that's it! A straightforward and easy steps to resolve BiliBili app not working. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.